Well, welcome back to. Have we decided whether or not we want to call it Rags to Riches or the Dragon's Horde?
Well, I mean, our company is Red Dragon.
That's true.
It'd be
yeah.
cool if it was like the Dragon's Horde, but
Yeah.
like, I mean, the Rags to Riches is the name of the channel. I mean, can we change the name again?
I think so. But we'll talk about that.
Yeah.
Welcome to Rags to Riches, maybe Dragon's Horde. The podcast where we talk about losing money.
It's been like 2 weeks since we last recorded, right?
We skipped last week because you had all that.
Yeah,
real estate.
my client.
Yeah.
Came into town and I had to do real estate things. So yeah, it's been 2 weeks.
It has been 2 weeks. And just to recap, let's go straight into the recap. Yeah.
Yeah.
So to recap, that first week of the 2 weeks, EXPI failed us. Well, I wouldn't say it failed us. It just had a correction.
We bought the top.
Yeah.
And we knew it, and we got greedy.
We didn't buy the top.
But it was near the top.
It was near the top. But if you can, let's go back to this right here. Oh, let's go to our red list, the Red Dragon list. EXPI. Now, EXPI was on this big bull run, right? And we bought like 72.
Yeah.
We bought 72ish. So we bought in the middle of this bull run.
We just held it too long.
Yeah, and then when we held it, and to be honest, we were down from our last investments, and then we bought EXPI.
Mm-hmm.
And
that brought us into the green.
That brought us back to even and into the green. Actually, going back to our thing right here, can we balance history?
Just go to 1 month, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, 1 month.
Oh, that's painful.
So yeah.
Painful.
This is a painful graph, but it is reality. But so we had 1,000. We were down. EXPI brought us back, right? And then it went down, and then we wanted to, we actually, this is when we sold EXPI. So EXPI,
did not fail us then.
Well, no, that's true. EXPI did not fail us. It did go up, and then we felt our first dip when EXPI went down just a little bit right here.
Mm.
This is when it corrected, and we thought this was all of its correction, but it fell. And then for the longest time, we rode this. We were even. We broke even. We decided to go into it was NVIS, Microvision.
Yes.
Yeah, we went all into Microvision, and that's actually on my personal list because I also personally own it, and so. We bought Microvision, let's see, December 25th.
That's the 24th right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Yeah. So we bought it along these lines. And to be honest, for me, right, I honestly thought, like, this was its correction, and then it was going to go some more on a bull run. Because if you look at this right here, just by TA way, looking at it from a TA point of view,
mm-hmm.
I saw this line here. Like, it had this big shot up, it corrected. I thought it was gonna go along this way, and on a personal level, I also held.
Yeah.
In my personal accounts, I also held to NVIS, and NVIS did this. Like death spiraled down.
Is that pretty much where we lost all our money yet?
Yes, this is pretty much where, because we went all in. We're doing this thing where we're going all into one stock. This is where it kind of all went down. And I was certain that it was gonna pop back up. And to be honest, if we held it all the way, we would have still had. 720, because right now it's if you look at can we do another line? Where we sold it and where it is now, it's basically almost horizontal. We basically skipped this.
Yeah.
Right? And then I don't know if this is trustworthy.
I'm glad we skipped that though, man. Because like, look, 720's bad, right? But at least it's not a 6, right?
Yeah. No. I mean, 720 is bad, but I think if we went all the way down here, I think we would have gone to the 500s.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. But I mean, that's what you get for going all in. You know what I mean?
I know.
Yeah.
So we just gotta find the right ones.
Yeah.
to go on. You know what? Maybe we should just cave into like
Diversifying.
No, not diversifying. Maybe we should just cave into what I say. Just like buy Tesla.
Oh my god. Okay. Going off page, but I think on my next paycheck
like,
or whenever we get that stimulus thing, I think I'm gonna buy some Tesla because oh my god.
I'm
oh
gonna,
my god.
Will we just bend the knee? Because like it just keeps going up.
No, I mean, okay. To be honest with you, like last week, if we had last week we would 720, we would have had enough to buy one stock, and this week we would have been up $160.
Yeah.
Because it's now at 880.
It's just like
okay, but to be honest with you, part of me feels like I need to short this right now because I can make quite a bit of money to short this on my personal account.
But also, if you think about it, if Tesla goes, don't you think that would just kill like the wider bull market?
Maybe.
Because think about it, right? Like it's all like all the hype, all the enthusiasm, all the memes and everything like that, right? Tesla's leading the way for it, right?
Right.
So if Tesla goes,
then all the EV stock might go.
Well, maybe not all the EV stock might go, but it's just like it'll just kill the vibe, you know?
Yeah.
That of just like oh, everything's like hot right now, right? So like the bubble bursts, right?
Right. But okay, so the thing with Tesla is that now correct me if I'm wrong. And again, this whole, you know, I didn't mention it in the beginning, but this whole recording, our videos that we make, they are for entertainment purposes only. You know, we're basically playing with a small amount of money that we both have.
Yeah, we have our own investments.
yeah. And so this we're just playing around with it with the 1000. We're trying to make it big. And I don't know if we officially ever said it, but we do have a company between us. We have an LLC. That's how we're able to invest together. And that LLC is called Nangamera Holdings. And, you know, we both have Malay backgrounds. Yeah. Right? We have Malay blood. And Nangamera means Red Dragon.
We really should have made it like Green Dragon, man, because Red Dragon's for all the losses, right?
But what's green? Ijao?
Yeah, Hijao, I think.
Naga Ijao. It just doesn't roll.
It Nagamera just rolls off the tongue. That NM combo.
Yeah. What was I gonna say? Shorting. Okay, Tesla. Yeah. So I haven't done my research, but from what I know about Tesla, is that they have always had trouble meeting their numbers.
Yeah, profitability, China profit, and stuff.
Yeah.
And they did, and when they did finally, right?
Yeah. So I know here in Austin they're building another gigafactory, right? So they are in the future ramping up production. I do believe in Elon Musk. I mean, he went from there was a company before PayPal, and he did PayPal, but now he's got the Boring Company, he's got SpaceX, Tesla. Yeah. I mean, the guy knows, he's a visionary, right? So the guy knows what where these companies to get to.
Okay, but and for Tesla's sake, though, right? Like, I read that Tesla's valuation is larger than the next 10 car companies combined right now.
Right now?
Right now.
Wow.
Tesla's not worth that much.
Yeah. Wow.
Like what? Okay, let's Google Tesla's valuation.
Yeah.
Or how much Tesla's valued at right now, as of today.
Tesla valuation. Where do we go here?
Yeah, it's worth about $700 billion.
Right there.
It's worth about.
It's a Kelly in one chart. The Motley Fool. Yeah. We go to the Motley Fool quite a bit, but electric car maker Tesla is worth about $700 billion, including an incredible rally in 2020.
That's larger. I don't remember where I saw it, but like that's like larger than the next
Yeah.
10 largest car companies combined.
Yeah.
Combined, like there's no way Tesla's worth that much. Like,
Right. Right. And then Toyota. Okay, so Toyota is one of the big car brands that own a lot of other car brands, right?
Uh-huh.
And even if you look at this chart, even
Yeah,
even
look,
Corolla is,
Toyota and Volkswagen, they sold over 10 million, whereas Tesla delivered just under 500,000.
yeah.
Right? GM, Ford, 7 million, 5 million. Like, these guys are worth way less than Tesla, and they're producing way more cars.
Right. Right.
This is all just like
way
froth
more-
and hot air and hype
Yeah.
for Tesla. Right?
They're also selling more cars at similar prices. Like Tesla cars, there's a bit of a markup, right? Like they're not. If you want to buy a Tesla sedan, it's not going to be as cheap as a Toyota Corolla Camry, but it's not that. It's not like you're trying to buy a Lambo. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can buy the same. You can buy a Tesla sedan for like a BMW sedan, or a Lexus sedan.
Okay.
A luxury brand sedan. The other thing I wanted to mention is that not only Tesla has trouble meeting their manufacturing numbers, but the Tesla, from what I heard from Tesla owners, is that Teslas have a what do you call it? Quality control. They have quality control problems. Like there's just parts of the car that for the price tag that you are paying for, you would expect a better build quality, but it doesn't meet those standards. So I mean, like, okay, so Ford came out with their electric Mustang, right?
Yeah, they're only trading at $9.
Yeah.
$9, right?
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
it's just like,
yeah. Now Ford has the infrastructure to meet their numbers. They have the cool thing. What's that electric Mustang called? Electric Mustang, yeah. The electric Mustang is called the Mach-E. Let's get Ford's website right here. I mean, well, that looks like an SUV. What is that? You see how big that car was?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is an SUV. That is not a sports car.
Mustang. Interesting.
Yeah. Okay. Let's look at this. 42,000. So 43,000. For what? I mean, that's a luxury price tag, but you're paying for like a luxury type of car.
Yeah.
You know. 3.5 seconds, 300 miles. See, that's the thing. I believe Teslas have a better range.
Okay, but like the thing is, like, Tesla delivered 500,000, but like these guys are pushing millions upon millions upon millions of cars, right?
Yeah.
And they have the infrastructure to support it and everything like that, and yet somehow Tesla is worth more than them combined.
Yeah.
Right? Like, that's just like...
So you're telling me right now that we should short the hell out of Tesla?
No, but it keeps going up. It keeps going up, bro. I've been telling you about like Tesla. I've been telling my friends, it's like, man, Tesla's gonna stop. And like back when Tesla was $700 pre-split, I was like, this is overvalued. I think I valued
it was overvalued by $300.
I valued it at 200.
200.
Yeah, like
So
I ran it through my model or anything. I mean, granted, my model's imperfect.
Yeah.
And like I could always use refining.
But give and take $100. That's still like if it was valued at $300 at 700 pre-split, it was overvalued by.
Yeah, I know that it just keeps going up, and I'm like, I don't. So yeah, so maybe we should just bend the knee and then we'll buy the top right here, right?
Right, and then it'll crash. you know what? We can bend the knee and buy right here, but in my personal portfolio, I'm just gonna short it. Short the hell out of Tesla. Yeah. See, I just don't understand that. First of all, they're not selling enough cars because they can't make enough cars, and then the cars that they're making, have quality control issues, right? Like that's like 2 weeks ago, you recommended I watch The Big Short.
Uh-huh.
I watched that movie. Now that I'm into like finance stuff and like trading and stuff like that, I found that movie incredibly captivating. Plus Michael Scott.
Yeah. You mean Steve Carell?
Steve Carell.
Michael
Yeah.
Scott.
They're one and the same. Steve Carell. I love that guy. Ryan Gosling was also in it.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that movie. But something tells me this is kind of like,
It's just like everyone wants a good time and no one wants it to end, right?
Yeah.
But that's the thing, though. It's just like how much more hype, because like they're all going to be. If you think about it, I think the Robin Hood trader has also kind of fundamentally changed the way the stock markets work, right?
Yeah.
Because you have millions upon millions and millions upon of people.
Like myself.
Like us, right?
Yeah.
We're just throwing chump change into it, but because we have so much numbers, right, we just swarm and we just
Right.
we overwhelm everything just through sheer numbers, right? And maybe this can go back up to 1,000 before like the hype just finally dies out.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. My thing is like, where do you find the top? So I mean, like
it just keeps going up.
Yeah. Let's look at the today. Like, what is that? Every single time. What was it back all the way down here?
This was COVID. Was this COVID? No, September 20th? Yeah, no, this was COVID. Right? This big dip? No, actually. It shot up during COVID?
No, this was COVID.
Like, this little speed bump.
Yeah, this is COVID. This is the COVID dip. It went from what? Like, 180 to... Said, oh my god, I should have just bought it down here. Can you imagine buying 10
well,
of these?
Is this post-split or pre-split? When did Tesla split?
Oh, I don't know. When did Tesla split?
This is probably, I think these are post-split numbers.
Yeah.
Right. When?
August 11th.
August 11th.
5 for 1?
Oh, if they're doing another stock split.
Oh, in 2020. Oh, okay. No, first.
August 11th, 2020. Okay, so they did... Okay, it was August 11th.
August 11th?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, they announced the stock, the 5 for 1 stock.
Well, they announced the split, but like that's August 2020.
Oh.
So, you go back to
This?
yeah. So that's like here.
June. August 11th. It was here. It was at the bottom of a dip, and then I guess they split it, and then just shot up. All the way up
Just
to
shot up in hype and everything
5,
like that, yeah.
Went all the way back down to 3. And then right here at 4, it just went up. When did it go up?
November 17th.
November 17th. I want to bring your attention to Bitcoin. Freaking Bitcoin is doing almost the same thing.
40 grand, yeah. Bro, 3 weeks ago, this was like 20.
Yeah.
19, 20.
Incredible, dude.
Amazing, yeah.
November 11th? Okay, there's no correlation here. But right here, on December 15th, it just went up and didn't stop.
Well, that's when it probably broke the all-time high, right? That's the way Bitcoin works, right? Once it breaks its all-time high, it just keeps going.
No, it was 19. All-time high is 20, right?
No, all-time high was like 19 something.
Oh, really?
It was just under 20, but once it went over 20, like once it breaks its all-time high, it just goes for as long as it can.
Yeah.
It goes and goes and goes and goes and goes, and then like
before it crashes.
well, I mean, like that's like any stock, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I think, oh, man, honestly, Bitcoin. I mean, there'll be that first dip, and then there'll be the second bull run. Like Bitcoin could go up to like 80, 100 grand.
Yeah.
This run. I think.
Incredible. You know, I remember back when I got into Bitcoin, it was only 3,000 for one.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
in 17, when I started trading Bitcoin, Bitcoin was at 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wish I just had enough money to buy one Bitcoin.
Yeah.
But now it's 40. Incredible.
That's all you need now, just one Bitcoin.
Yeah.
But yeah. Anyway.
Back
on track. So I guess we're done with our EV tangent.
Yeah. So I mean, okay. So Tesla, even though like it keeps going up, I do feel like at some point it's got to fail and go down. Like it's got to come back to reality, right?
Yeah.
And I mean, like if we look at, I do have an auto. Boom, my auto list. What's this guy? We're looking at Fiat. Fiat's 13. GM is at 35. That's not bad. Ford at $9.
9.
Yep. Toyota Motor is at 152, and 152 is pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Toyota makes very, I'm in a family of Toyotas. We have Toyota Sequoia, Toyota Corolla, and we have an Lexus hybrid and a Lexus RX, which your family also has the Lexus.
Yeah, so it's just
RX,
like a Toyota.
Yeah,
Toyota.
and then if you look at Toyota, what does if you look at Toyota, if you did not know, like a lot of car brands don't, like
Volkswagen or
Toyota is one of the few that owns companies and is not owned by another company. Like
Tesla owns Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla owns Tesla. Great. Toyota Motor Co. owns Lexus Toyota, of course, and has a stake in Subaru and Suzuki. Volkswagen owns Volkswagen. And do we have Volkswagen on here? I do not.
Well, what's its ticker? VW?
Yeah, what's Volks? How do you spell Volks? I'm just gonna copy.
Fun historical fact: the Volkswagen
Uh-huh.
Was designed by the Nazis.
Yep.
Yep.
I knew that.
It's the people's car.
It's the people's car. Volkswagen. Oh, at 20. Wait, did I type in the right Volkswagen?
Yeah. AG. OTC.
What does OTC mean?
Over the counter.
Oh.
Wait,
for stock?
I think that's what OTC means. Yeah, for stock.
Okay. Well, 20. It's trading at 20. But I mean, if you look at Volkswagen, it owns Audi, Bentley, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Porsche, and Volkswagen. So I mean, Bentley, Bugatti, Lamborghini, and Porsche, like these. I mean, the Audi also, but these are some really premium.
But then because they're premium, not a lot of them get sold. Right?
That's true. So. That's true. You're looking at cars. Well, not Audi, Bentley, Bugatti, and Lamborghini. These are definitely cars that.
And Porsche.
Some Porsches are like you can buy like a $50,000 Porsche. I'm talking about 6-digit.
Okay.
These are 6-digit cars right here, right? Toyota, Lexus, Toyota, Subaru. Those are definitely middle class cars. Like Lexus is definitely like a luxury middle class car. Let's look at these other ones. GM, Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC. Hummer has returned. There came out with the electric Hummer car, electric Hummer truck.
We would just supply fuel cells to Nikola.
Yeah, Nikola. Nikola was a big farce. That was a fake. Yeah. A fake company, if there was ever a fake company, but GM, they're in it for Nikola's tech, which if they have any tech, but Fiat has a lot of owns a lot of the foreign cars, right? But if we look back on here, Fiat, $17, yeah, Toyota, 150, Volkswagen, $20. Like these are some really big, Ford $9,
Yeah.
Dodge.
I mean, I think we all get the point, right?
Yeah, yeah. We don't need to go any further, but compared to Tesla, who owns just Tesla, that manufactures much less cars than any of these, are worth more than all of these combined. Like that's hard.
It's a crazy world.
Yeah.
It's just that's pretty much it. Anyway, now that we're done with like EVs, I guess that's
EVs,
a big rant.
Yeah.
I wanted to mention some I think we're talking about this in the car.
Uh-huh.
So like software as service companies and stuff like that, we should look into that. And here, let me just get my phone.
I like the concept of software.
Oh no,
and-
it's great.
because in a world where everybody's working mostly from home,
Mhm.
it sounds like a pretty good market.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it doesn't even need it, like it's not just for people who work from home. Like,
Right.
it's
No,
just
that's
like,
the thing. That's the thing. It's unaffected by people
Okay.
moving home.
Let's see.
Like the car manufacturers. There was a shortage at Toyota during the pandemic.
Mhm.
You know why? Because not only the people who were building the cars couldn't go to work to build the cars because the factories were shut down, because manufacturing cars is not an essential,
Essential
job.
Yeah.
And so there was a shortage in cars, and people weren't driving. Like they're like remember there were like oil tankers just like floating, trying to figure out where to dump their
Yeah, and the
gasoline.
futures went to negative, right?
Yeah, and it's like I stopped. My Corolla, it's like $20 to fill up, and I usually fill up every 2 weeks. Regularly when I'm going to work every day. Nowadays I fill up maybe once a month, once every 6 weeks or something like that.
Because you work from home, right?
Yeah, because mostly I work from home. I'll be going to the office tomorrow.
But yeah, so like, sorry.
But like I was saying, where most other companies, like especially like retail and stuff, are affected by people working from home. I don't think software companies are affected because they're needed wherever. Yeah.
Okay, so like the ones I got.
Should we make another list for this?
Maybe. Well, let's just look at the price right now. So like Fastly, Fastly, Cloudflare.
Hold on. Give me a second. Let me just make create new list. I'm just gonna call it what software?
SAAS.
SAAS. What
Software
is
as a service.
that? Oh, SAAS. So that's our SaaS
SaaS.
list. All right, give me the first one.
Fastly. Fastly.
Fastly. This guy?
Yeah.
All right, we got Fastly at 88.22. This is their day. Let's look at 2 hours. Okay. Bull run down.
It's a dip, so maybe we could buy this dip.
Yeah, maybe we could buy this dip. What I do like, you see the yellow line has just crossed the red. So if it crosses the blue, I think this could be another bull. This could be another bull run. And looking at its bull runs, text. How do you?
That's all right. Just edit it out.
Yeah. Well, it's on the other screen anyway,
Okay.
which is okay. So the bull run for this guy is pretty cool. Look, it go from here to here.
140.
Yeah. What is that? Where's my box? Where's the ruler? Okay. Ah. What are you doing?
It's okay. Just go up.
Yeah, just go like right here.
Yeah.
65%. Not bad. From the cross to that. Oh. Delete. Okay. Let's go from this box. Oh man, how do I not know how to use this program yet? To this box. 55%.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah. 88 is pretty pricey. We can't buy even 10 of them. We might be able to buy 9,
7.
but 7.
Let's say 7 shares. But I mean, we
shares?
just go all in on that. We can ride it up to maybe 100 or something like that.
That looks good. Let's put you know what? We'll mark these later.
Okay.
Second one.
Hold on one. Where is it? Cloudflare.
Cloud.
Yeah. FLARE.
One word.
Yeah.
Cloudflare net net. We have net at $79.
That looks like it's gonna drop.
It looks like a pretty big bull run, but this yellow line did cross the red, and it looks like it might cross the blue here. So, I mean, it goes up, dips, up, cross, Wait. Did it cross there? Oh, interesting. You see how the yellow crossed the red and then bounced right back up?
Yeah.
And then crossed again, fell. Now it's crossed up. Good. I might like Fastly more.
Okay. Well,
Okay, next one.
Dynatrace.
No.
DYNATRACE. DT. Yeah.
Dynatrace. We have Dynatrace at 42. Okay, a little cheaper. Ooh. I mean, there it goes again. There's the cross, and it looks like it's going to cross the blue line too.
Mm-hmm.
Looking at a big picture, it looks like it's been on a pretty good bull run for quite a while. What is this? Oh, this is Corona.
It's the Rona.
This is the Rona. Rona went up. Can you call this a Head and Shoulders? Can you call that Head and Shoulders?
It looks like...
It's like one big shoulder, a very skinny head, and another skinny shoulder.
Okay, the last one I got, Kinaxis. I don't know if that's software as a service, though. I think that's... I think it's a...
How do you spell it?
Kinaxis.
Kina.
Kinaxis. Kinaxis.
Kinaxis.
Yeah. I think they might be a food company, maybe?
You think so?
Yeah, well, that's the Canadian.
Oh, that's the Canadian. We gotta go OTC. What does this D mean? That was the Canadian one. Wait, go back. Kinaxis CF is the American one.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I want to go here real quick.
Supply chain management, sales operation, planning software. Why did I think there was food?
Based in Ottawa, Ontario. So it's a Canadian company.
Yeah, it's pricey though, $140.
Yeah, it is. That is pricey. We might.
So honestly, maybe of all these, maybe we just go into Fastly.
I don't know. This Dynatrace looks pretty good too.
That looks like it's just gonna go down.
Do you think so?
Yeah, I mean, just look, just because it's cheap.
No, that's true.
Right?
Just because it's cheap.
You like it just because it's cheaper.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. What? I'm trying to look at this as TA wise. It's gone up, basically sideways, gone down. I think it's gonna go up.
You think it's gonna go up?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on, I think I have another one that I want to check out.
But Fastly does
also,
look like the best one.
This one is for like cellular towers, cell towers, 5G, that stuff. AMT.
AMT. Can I put that under telecommunication?
Sure.
AMT. Oh, Amy.
AMT.
American Tower Corp.
American Tower Corp.
222. Well, it's on a bit of a bear run, but let's zoom in here. Zoom in. Those lines are crossed. But, I mean, it's been going sideways for...
Yeah. But this might be like a longer term thing, though.
Yeah. It might have reached a bottom here. Right? So, this is... sorry, I'm going to give somebody a heart attack. So this is Corona. Right?
Yeah.
And it went up, and it's got a bear. This flat spot might be...
Well, we might
bottom.
have to see it go for a little longer before we can like really confirm.
Yeah.
Because I might just dump again.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, as far as the best looking one, is this one.
Fastly.
I do feel like this one's gonna go up. But best one looks like Fastly.
So you want to go in on Fastly? We just ride it out for a week and see what happens.
We could, yeah. I don't like this, but that doesn't really tell me much. 4 hour. Yeah. It looks like it's gonna pop off a little bit. The 30 minutes. Yeah. I like that. I feel this is definitely well. Okay, I don't want to say definitely. In my opinion, this one is definitely going to go up a little bit. So I feel like this is a safe bet. Depending on what it does on Monday, I feel like this is a safe bet. The next one is. Let me look at that again.
I think this one's really just gonna dump. Personally,
Yeah.
it's just way too high. If it goes up, it's just gonna retest the high, and then it's just gonna dump again.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I agree with you on that one. This one, I do like how it's going here.
Yeah.
Up, side, I feel like it's going to go this way and then back up. Depending on how well the company does. More
They're
financials.
losing money.
Yeah, they are.
That's like another thing. All these companies are losing money, but the stock price just keeps going up.
They made more than in Q2 than Q1.
Okay.
This is annual.
Yeah, at least in 2019. No, but I mean, like, the thing about the stock price is just, like, it's all the future expectations built into it, right? So,
Yeah. Technicals? What's an oscillator?
It's like this stuffs.
So it's selling to sell. Summary, buy. Sell, strong buy, summary, buy. Well, that is... Oh... Because if we wanted to hold for a week.
You know what? We could also just make our entire trading strategy. We just filter the entire stock market by what's a strong buy?
Yeah, what's a strong buy right now?
And then we just buy that.
Offers a software intelligence platform. Oh, it's cut off on that screen. On OBS.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Sorry. We'll read some of it. Offers software intelligence platform purpose-built for the enterprise cloud. The firm's platform utilizes artificial intelligence at its core and advanced automation to provide answers, not just data, about the performance of applications, the underlying hybrid cloud infrastructure, and the experience of its customers' users. It specializes in cloud ecosystem integration, incident and alert management integration, DevOps, CI/CD integration, user experience, and business intelligence insight. The company was founded in 2014 and has a headquarters in Waltham, Massachusetts.
That's interesting.
I don't understand a lot of that. It sounds like it uses AI to give answers.
Yeah, what about for Fastly and stuff like that?
Fastly, we have. Let's look at financials real quick. It's lost more money in 2019, but quarterly, it's losing money.
But they'll make money in the future.
It'll make money in the future. Financials, it's saying sell. Really?
So then you just want to go into DT then?
Yeah. Well, if we're looking at this, then it's going to go into DT. Let's look at Fastly provides real-time content delivery network service. It offers edge cloud platform, edge software development kit, content delivery and image optimization, video streaming, cloud security, load balancing. What is this company?
Oh, there's the website right there.
Yeah, where is it?
Just keep going down. Keep scrolling down. Right there.
Fastly. I'm going to close this. Fastly. The future of security at the edge. Your business, your platform. I still don't know what it does. Huh. What's edge stuff?
I think that's That's just like the name of their cloud or something.
Oh.
Edge Cloud Platform. So they build a platform, basically.
Yeah. For what? Video streaming? Content delivery and image excited. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely what would you call it? SaaS?
Yeah, software as a service.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I do want to. I'm just curious, just really quick. I just want to look at this, and then I want to look at this. Really? Net income is negative 800 million.
Yep.
Wow. Hey, they made 3 million.
300.
300 million.
Yep.
Interesting. So at least Tesla is going up. Okay, back to.
Hold on, is Tesla a buy though? Like, what does this place say about Tesla?
Oh.
It's a buy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
What?
that's all a
Buy.
buy. Maybe
1
we should
minute?
just buy Tesla.
5 minute? 15 minute?
No. Oh.
Okay, 15 says sell. If you're gonna hold it for just 15 minutes, you gotta sell it. 4-hour day, week.
Yeah.
Good lord.
Strong buy. Oh man.
Good lord. But we can't afford one Tesla stock.
Not anymore.
Not
right?
anymore. Yeah.
We lost too much. So yeah, maybe we should just go into DT.
DT?
Yeah.
SAAS.
It's
Let's
like
put a red mark on this guy. Boop. DT?
yeah, you like it? You like
I
the
mean,
chart? It's cheap.
if my chart reading is correct, if it should go this over up. If my chart reading is correct. I've only been
Well, I mean, like, this is what this whole thing's for, right? Practice,
yeah,
right? So,
yeah. So did it say to buy? Where's the thing? Where's the
it's right there.
for a week?
Strong buy. At least moving average wise, but
Yeah.
I bet,
Summary is a buy.
yeah.
Oscillators is a neutral.
Well, I mean, like here they also give you a breakdown of which indicators are telling you to buy or sell,
Yeah.
right?
Let's go to the week though, right?
Yeah, that's probably the most important. You know, that's probably the most important candles we need to look at.
The weekly candles?
Yeah.
I
Daily
mean-
or the weekly? Well, I mean, because like that's our time frame for
Yeah,
a trade.
yeah.
How did I just like think of this now? Like,
I mean, if you look at the weekly is going to go down a little bit. You see that?
mm-hmm.
It's crossed again. It's going to go down a little bit, I think.
Okay, so then we need to find something that will make us money within the week.
I think it will. That's going to go down. That's going to go down. Yeah, all these are going to go down. The next weekly candle is down. But inside of the week, I feel like, because I like looking at the 4-hour for weekly stuff, that's going to go up.
So then that means we buy like on Monday and sell on like Thursday. Or
Something
Wednesday.
like that, yeah. Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Interesting.
Going back to EV real quick, I do want to commend Plug for its blast off right here from what
Out of nowhere.
Yeah, from $30 to 53, and S-Cell from 10 to
15.
15.
50%.
Well, its highest was, oh good lord,
70%.
yeah.
We would have. Didn't we start out with like in Plug?
No, we had SBE.
Oh yeah, switchback.
But if we look at SBE, where are you? Where'd you go? I'll put you on the red list. Yeah, pretty much sideways.
Okay.
Big waves. Then CCL, I think. Yeah, I think it's back to where we had it. And then we had, what else did we have? We had HBP.
HPP, and that was just
All these have gone sideways.
Wow. So honestly, and we just stayed there
we would have just done
We would've-
nothing.
No, we would have not lost as much money.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But hey, looking at SBE, it looks like it's gonna go back up.
That is true. Well, like just if this pattern holds, right?
Yeah, yeah. But SBE is the same price as DT. We could if you wanted to just put a buffer, split it.
Nah, man, all in.
You want to go all in?
I mean, it's just like
It's
more exciting
do,
like that.
Yeah, it is more exciting, but I do have to remind you that going all in on Envis is the reason why we're down 7 to 720.
And it could also be the reason why we're back up at 1,000.
It could be, but both of these look like it's going to go up. They're both around the same price, right?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, if one of them does, if like 50-50 chance, right? If you're choosing between these two companies.
Well, that's
50-50
if they
chance.
go up too, right? What if they both crash?
Well, if they both crash, it doesn't matter which one we're in. That
Yeah.
we're gonna lose money,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
But if they both go up, we're still both making money. If you look at SBE has been up 6%. We could have made more in SBE than the 2% that DT went up, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if 50-50, if we chose one, and that one went down, then we lose money, or if we diversified into both of them, and and I understand this is all for entertainment purposes, and we want to make it exciting, but the
This
best,
is money, right?
yeah,
This is,
the best practice for investing for any of you that's gonna go out and invest is diversifying, because if you look at it, right, if they both go down, then we're gonna lose money anyway.
Yeah.
If they both go up, we're gonna make money anyway.
but not as much as if you're all in on one.
If you're all in on the one that makes more percent.
Yeah, well, that's the call you got to make. Right?
Yeah. But if one goes down and the other one goes up, you could break even. It's negative, positive, positive. You know what I mean? But I mean, then you have to pick, like, if you pick DT and it only goes up another 2% next week, then you're like, oh crap, I should have picked SBE. SBE could have gone up another 10%. SBE is an EV stock, and this should follow Tesla, Plug, F-Cell.
I mean, does it though? Because like all this stuff doesn't follow.
Well,
it's just trading waves, but
yeah. I mean, you look at and right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have little waves, and Plug. What did Plug do? Plug does.
So maybe you just want to go into switchback again then.
No, I mean, like, it's. I mean, it's up to you. I'm cool with whichever. But you know me. I'm the more, I guess you would say, conservative, because I have. Well, I'm in 2 positions right now. I had 3 during the week. I personally like to diversify because it does, like, it dampens your losses. Now, if everything on the market is bleeding, you're gonna bleed anyway, and it just sucks because all 3 of your stocks are now bleeding. But the only reason why I brought this one back is because they're the same price, so we could buy the same number of stocks.
Shares.
So we can buy the same number of shares, but be diversified between 2 companies.
You and your reasonable suggestions. Like,
I mean, I'm just saying, Envis is the reason why we're down to 720.
Yeah.
We went all in on Envis.
I know, but like, that's just making a mistake of going all in on the wrong one. So we just got to go all in on the right
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's my calculator?
What are you trying to calculate?
720 divided by 43.
Oh, okay.
16.
15. That 0.74 rounds up to something. So we can buy 15 shares of each. And then we just have a little bit left.
No, this is divided by 42. So this is, if you wanted to buy each, 15. Where'd you get 15 from?
Wait, so 720. Oh, this is if you go all in on one.
Yeah.
Okay, then we buy 16 shares because you can't buy 0.74 of a share.
That's true. Yeah. So we can buy, with $720, we can buy 16 shares. So we can either buy 8 of each or 16 of one.
You know,
let's.
if we split it and one just crabs and the other one goes up a lot,
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna be really salty. Or be like, it's just like, oh, we could have made.
Well. If one crabs and the other one makes a lot. And
I know,
one
but like,
one-
no, there's no bad profit. But it's just like
No. But if we go all in on one of them, what if we go all in on the one that just crabs? Then we'll be salty about the one that went up. If we split it and one of them goes up, then I mean I can't be salty about that because we're still making gains. We're making half the gains, right? But we're still making gains.
All right. Let's split it.
You want to split it?
Yeah, you convinced me.
Because like SBE 1, 2.
That's gonna go on an upswing. Like you can buy this and then you can sell this in like 2 days and make it a nice little profit. Right?
That's true. Yeah.
If you go up to 48, go up $6.
6?
$6, right? 48, assuming it goes to its high.
Yeah.
Right.
Hold on. Let's do this real quick. Let's draw a line on the top. That is off my screen. Can you give me some more space? Damn. Okay, that's that looks like a pretty good line, right?
Okay.
And then let's make this box go from here to, I can't see. What is that?
33%.
33%?
Yeah.
If it goes up to that line, it'll be a 33% gain. Going to this one. This one, the thing with DT, I feel like it's gonna go up.
I mean, but okay. To me, it also looks like it might go down though, just because it's already on that downtrend.
That's
right?
true. Yeah.
So maybe we should just go all in on switchback.
You want to go in on switchback
again?
You think? I mean, I kind of agree with you. This dip is because of COVID, right?
Yeah.
And even though I like how it went up and sideways, and I feel like it's gonna go up again, this has been going sideways, so it could just keep going sideways. It could go double top here, up, down, up, and then back down to here. To be honest,
yeah.
I mean, if you take this out of the picture, and you're just looking at that, it looks like it's just gonna keep going sideways.
So maybe.
So you want to go all in SB?
We've come full circle then.
I mean,
yeah. We just hop around. We just
I feel like
we'll just switch between SBE and EXPI, and then we just.
Hey, if that makes us money, if that makes us money, who's gonna complain? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any of these doing okay? Like, no, that doesn't look good at all. That is what, American Airlines?
Yeah.
I hate American Airlines. Royal Caribbean. I've never been, but I do want to go. I mean, this is COVID. And it looks like an uptrend, but it looks like slow.
It's too long for our time frame.
Yeah. I think this is.
So maybe you can buy this for your personal one, but for the purpose of this show, right? Because we're doing weekly trades.
And same with this one. This is COVID, and this is a very slow. I'd be surprised if Dave and Buster's is still around after COVID, man. Like if they didn't take a hit. This guy. It's just been up and down.
Or do you want to go half and half into EXPI and switchback, because this is like, am I just?
Yeah, it could. What's 74? We could buy 8. We could buy 8
9 shares.
We could buy 8 SBE and 9 of EXPI. No. 8 SBE for EXPI. Or we can buy 9 EXPI. Or 16 SBE.
Let's go into switchback.
Yeah. So I mean, for me, having 16 SBE go 33% might make us more than the 9 that goes. Well, I mean, what's the top on this one?
It's like 85.
Yeah.
Right. Like, I really do think EXPI is $100 stock, though, so, like, we do need to
keep an eye on this.
Right.
Okay, you know what? Okay, this is what we'll do. We'll go into SBE, ride it up to what is this? We'll sell it at like 52, right? And then as soon as we sell it at 52, we buy EXPI again. Um, well, I don't know. That looks like it's just gonna shoot. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, that's what's no, but like it'll either shoot up or it might just relax. A
Yeah,
little bit,
yeah.
But
I mean, the where to buy it was down here, obviously.
yeah,
Yeah.
but it's just like it's just like, but EXP, I just has so much stuff going for it, right? Fundamentally. So that's why.
Dallas Airlines, or Dallas Airlines, Delta Airlines.
Delta Airlines.
It's also crowding sideways.
Yeah, no. Okay, so.
What's save? Spirit.
Yeah. Okay, I think
And what's
SBE into EXPI would be the play for the next week.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll just we'll put in the orders for it Monday and we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Yeah, this is also very high. You know what I mean? This could dip before it goes back up again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we go SBE to what, 50, 52?
Maybe even 49.
Maybe even 49?
It's at 42 right now. Or just to ride the uptrend a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
right? Maybe it doesn't reach maybe it doesn't take a new all-time high, you know? So
That will get us halfway to even. And then we can buy EXPI to ride all the way back up to break even.
Yeah.
And then next week we'll figure out how to lose even more money so we can break even. So if you're watching this, all you need to do is just watch every other episode, and when we're down, buy what we're buying. But when we've broken even, sell everything. So that's what you do, and let us know how much you make. Yeah. Is there anything else you want to get into?
I think that's really it. It's already what, 2:40?
What is? Oh man, dude,
Yeah.
we hit an hour. Okay, to be honest, I thought since we'd have no positions and this was just gonna be a recap, I honestly thought this was gonna be like a half hour.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I had some stuff that I was looking into that I wanted to bring up, right?
True,
then we went on a huge rant about Tesla. So
Tesla, which oh my goodness, man! I mean, can I be a millionaire if I short Tesla? That's all I'm thinking about.
You need to short it with leverage, and I mean a lot of leverage.
I mean, I'll just short. What is it called? This is gonna be our last thing. Last thing. Where is my Robinhood? Gosh. Okay, just to let you know, since December 22nd in my personal portfolio, I've lost about $1,000. So maybe I'm not the best person to. Full disclosure. Lesson learned is from that one is that I just held the bag too long. So if you're in penny stocks, if you made any gains, just take the gains. Just take it.
Just take your bag and run.
Take your bag and run. If you make anything, take your bag and run. Okay, if we go to Tesla, where are you? All the way down the list because you're too expensive for me. There. Trade options. Let's go. No, not 23. Let's go. Wait, March. Right? Let's buy a put. If I buy a $1,000 put, it's gonna cost me $45,000. Too expensive for me to buy shorts anyway.
Well, technically, options and shorts are different. If you want to get into the the technicalities of it all. Yeah. I mean, we can worry about Tesla for another time. I think we should close this out. Thanks for watching, I guess.
Yep.
If you stick around for an hour, you're the real MVP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, comment something, anything. Subscribe if you
two people who probably watch this.
yeah. Let's see what we get in the next week or so. It's 2021. It's January. There's an insurrection at the Capitol.
That was a thing. But
yeah, that was a thing.
Yeah.
My stocks all dumped on Wednesday. Thank you, Trump. But it is 2021. Things should be looking pretty good. Let's hope we can make some money this year.
All right, awesome. See you all next week.
Bye.